जा चल घे.
बघ त्याच्यात दिसता काय पण माका सांगा हा मी बोलू कधी का. Very important thing for establishing good bamboo plantation is selection of a quality planting material. Here we selected Dendrocalamus stocksy. It is locally known as Manga bamboo. This is a 1.5 year old sapling which is propagated by nodal cuttings. It is it looks healthy though it has some blotches on leaves, but these are older leaves, so you can see new leaves are healthy and growing vigorous. So generally the sapling should have minimum 1 or 2 or 3 tillers in a poly bag, and it is well hardened, should be secondary hardened, so that it can sustain in extreme weather conditions in a outdoor environment. So here we selected a healthy sapling from a nursery. So now we are going for planting it in a field. तू असं घेऊन येतोस हातात धरून.
फक्त तिथपर्यंत जरा जरा
आणि कॅमेऱ्यात बघायचं नाही, आपलं जसं काम सुरू आहे
काम चालू होतं
तसं दिसा. So for bamboo planting, we need various tools, implements, and various nutrients and farm add manure also. So let's start. Which are the equipments we require? First we need a pickaxe to dug out the pits. Then we need spade. Then we need a garden rake. Then we need a broad blade pickaxe, and this is a vermicompost, then cocoa pit, and goat manure. Then we collected a farmyard manure also, some leaf litter is there, and here we collected a small amount of 100 gram of an inorganic fertilizer, and this to water the plant. So these are the prerequisites for establishing a sapling in a field. त्या बाजूला ठेव पिकावाच्या पैशावर. हां. Let's start digging out the pits. It is very important that while planting larger saplings, we need a minimum of 1.5 feet of length and width of a pit, or if we can keep the larger size of a pit, then it is also good. So let's start digging out the pits. आधी खण व्यवस्थित चारही बाजू. नाही नाही पुरून काढ व्यवस्थित. हां पाठी घे जरा. हां जरासा जरा थांबा थोडी जरा सरकव का खड्डो इकडे. अजून काटकोन नसलो तर बघ रे कर जरा. बोलू. Now we completed the digging of a pit and now we are collecting a leaf litter which is fallen on a forest floor or in a farm. These are we have native trees, various native trees, so the leaf litter fallen on the ground, that is a very important natural organic material which is very important for healthy growth of roots of a bamboo. टाकलं ना पत्र. आता now we are adding goat manure. Minimum of 4 kg of goat manure should be added while planting bamboo saplings. Now we are adding vermicompost and a mixture of a coco peat. Coco peat should be added minimum of 4 to 5 kg per peat as per the availability. Or if we don't have coco peat, then a well decomposed farmyard manure or a compost can be added. मध्ये जरा खोलगट भाग ठेव. नाही काढायची थोडीशी आणि कडेन टाक कारण रोप येताना ना मध्ये जरा. बस ग्रॅम ऑफ fertilizer, NPK fertilizer, which we are now adding. आता ब्लेड घे आणि दोनही बाजून त्याला व्यवस्थित विरुद्ध बाजून ब्लेड मार. सावकाश अगदी. पूर्ण मार खालपर्यंत द्या. Cutting of a large poly bag should be from exactly opposite side, otherwise the root ball can be damaged. So for taking a precaution, always give cut to a larger poly bags from two opposite sides. आता आम्ही जरा रोप काढतो. Here you can see the healthy root growth and the entire ball is perfectly grabbed by new growing roots. So now we are putting it in a pit for planting. टाकायचं चारही बाजून घेऊन ये तो बघ. Now we are putting a leaf litter. अजून आण थोडं का मी ह्या करते घेऊन. अजून आण थोडं. Now we are putting leaf litter. It is very important for keeping a moisture level in a root zone, and it is also important for microorganisms and activity of various below ground mycorrhizal fungi, so that root growth of a bamboo saplings can be in a healthy environmental conditions. While digging the pits, we collected topsoil on a left hand side, then the second layer of a soil is on right hand side, and this is the third soil layer, which is from the lower part of the pit. So while refilling the pits after planting, you have to use this topsoil at very first, then the second layer of soil. Third soil preferably should not be added, because this is very important topsoil. It is called as A horizon or the A0 horizon, which is rich in organic content and various decomposing stages of leaf litter. So it has maximum nutrient content naturally. So this layer of a soil should be added while planting bamboo saplings. झाडावर टाकशील डायरेक्ट. घाल हळूहळू घाल, हळू असं उचलून टाक. हां हां उचलून टाक सावकाश. ओढून दे ना आता डायरेक्ट.
ओढू आता
आता ओढ. आणि जरा 3 इंच खाली ठेव. हां देवलीच्या. टाक. After planting, we have to add minimum of 5 liter of water. Now we are adding leaf litter as a mulch, so that added water should not be transferred, or that keeps roots and rhizosphere cool and healthy for healthy growth of roots. Similarly, we planting rhizome offsets. It needs to dug out the pits of minimum of 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet, and here you can see we have trees, larger trees, and so we planted large size rhizomes by staking the tree trunk, and this particular rhizome is planted 3 to 4 months back, and now you can see it has a tall, around 15 feet tall shoot which is coming out of that. So the procedure is same, digging out the rhizomes from a healthy vigorous culms in the month of June, July, because it is a monsoon season in the Western Ghats, and selection of a proper site, planting on a spacing say 7 by 13 feet. So this is a border, so we planted it on a 7 feet of distance.